This literature kit on 1984 by George Orwell provides a variety of engaging activities that can easily be broken up for students over several weeks to coordinate with assigned reading. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Use what you know about Winston's memory of his mother to describe what family relationships are like in Oceania. Predict what will happen to Winston based on what you know of the world he lives in and the consequences of his actions. Identify statements about Winston and Julia's first meeting as true or false. Use what you have already read about Room 101 and predict how Winston will react to his experiences there. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as describing what the word betrayal means to you and how it relates to the events in the novel. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. List events from the book that connect to the plot's major themes. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.